G'day guys, just going to do a quick video on our mods so far on the Nissan Patrol Y62. So the first few mods I did when I picked up the car is the Supertrim seat covers, which fit amazingly. They're nice and snug fit. Decided to go with the orange stitching just to be a bit different and to match the caravan. Very happy with those. Also went the 3D Max Tracks mats, front and rear. So that was our first stage. Second stage, I sent the car down to Ontrack 4x4 in Kealba. Andrew Casa, majority of people that have a Y62 will know him. He sorted me out with, we'll go to the back of the car, I'll start at the back. He sorted me out with a couple of Anderson plugs and the Safety Dave camera. So I already had the 12-pin plug and tow bar installed from factory. So Andrew sorted me out with that and the Safety Dave. I got the Safety Dave wired into the front of the car here. So it just comes up near the dash and you can plug in. Normally sits about here, just in the right hand corner, out of the way. While Andrew was doing that, we got the air compressor installed. So I got the buttons here, so you can pump up the airbags from the cab. Everything can be pumped up and down for the airbags. Nice convenient location. Air down. Everything's right in the center console. You don't have to get out to do it. I know where everything needs to be for my weights. Got the ARB dual air compressor installed in the left hand rear quarter. Got the outlet there to pump up the tyres, all that sort of stuff. So that's the outlet there, if you can see through there. That's the ARB compressor wired in. So it's plumbed to, like I said, the front of the cab. So we got the King Springs, K303s I think they are, with the poly airbags. See if we can get down here and see. Alright, so there you go. KDRS 303s, King Springs, and poly airbags. So it gives you about 20 mil higher in the rear. So if you're after just a moderate lift, you can install the springs there. Helps significantly with the load. I find no difference in ride. If anything, it probably rides better. I'm very happy with them. Very happy with the airbag system. Love the controls, where the controls are in the back there. I've also just installed the dash off road false floor. Give you a look here. So got a couple of hatches there. You get no instructions whatsoever on this, on how to install it, so it was a little bit of trial and error. I've made a little bit of a video there how to install the dash off road false floor. Overall, very happy with it. Seems to be good quality. The thing that sold me on it was I wanted something that I could put the seats in and out if need be. I don't think I will. I think it'll just be a full false floor for the time being. But I did want that option. If we're going away, we take some kids, whatever it may be, I can throw the seats back in. I wouldn't be doing it willy-nilly, as I think it's a little bit of a process. Probably takes you, I don't know, half hour to 45 minutes thereabouts to stick the seats back in. So it's not a 5-minute job. but the option's there if you do want to do it. So very happy with that. What else we got? We've got the ARB Baserack. So I'll give you a look here. Alright, so that's the ARB Baserack. I got the full length rack. Got the wind deflector on the front there. Alright. I did get the quick mount system for the awning, and it does work. I got the King's awning on there, just a 2 meter one. So the quick release brackets are there. It's literally one bolt just at the back of the bracket. You loosen that off and the awning comes straight off if you don't want the awning on all the time. It's very low profile. Let's see if I can see you here. So gives you next to no, there's nothing. It's pretty close to the roof line if that's what you're after. I'm very happy with it. Very minimal noise, if noise at all. I personally can't hear it. The wife reckons she can every so often, but not very often. Now I drive with my windows down all the time, so I can't hear it, and that's all I care about. But yeah, the Baserack so far I'm very happy with. No complaints. So that's from the rear. So that's probably where we're at the moment. Baserack, airbags, springs, false floor, mats, Anderson plugs. Still got stage 2 to go, which I'm still waiting on parts, so stay tuned. Thanks.